Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of system architecture in a computer system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of system architecture. First, we have performance. Proper architecture ensures that the system runs efficiently, handling the required load with minimal delays. Second, scalability. A well-designed architecture allows the system to grow and handle more data, users, or requests. Third, maintainability. By organizing components logically, architecture makes it easier to update and maintain the system. Fourth, security. Architecture includes measures to secure the system, ensuring data integrity and protecting against unauthorized access. And lastly, fifth, we have here reliability. Ensures that the system can operate without failure, often through redundancy and fault tolerance. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of system architecture in a computer system. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.